I'm going to reuse a post from a previous class to put into this classroom. So I'll go to Classwork, Create, Reuse Post. And you can see that all of my classrooms from before are now here. So I'm going to reuse an assignment from my Honors World History. Okay, and again, all of my assignments are here. So I will reuse who was responsible for the Russian Revolution, and I will click reuse down at the bottom. Okay, now it shows me this so that I can change and edit anything that I'd like to edit for this class. I'm not going to edit anything. The only thing I will edit is which topic I'm going to keep it in. So I will put week 2 topic. Had I left the communist topic there before, it would have created a new topic for me. I will have a due date of August 28th, and I will not keep it ungraded. I will actually want to grade it. It'll be out of 100. Okay. All of these are new copies for the students so that it'll make a new copy for each student. And I will click assign. And